Good morning, children. Welcome to Social Science class. Today is Saturday, date 20th of November 2021. Did you know India's Marine Commandos Marcos are on the deadliest special forces in the world? So, name of the commando force of India, the Marine Commandos, is Marcos, and they are the deadliest special force in the world. You can see how they are dressed and how they are holding their weapons and all, and they are the best special forces in the world. Children, please take out your social science book, Footprints 3. Today we are going to read chapter 9, Diversity in India, Food and Clothes. Page number is 56 to 57. Read the chapter. Just as Indians have a variety of food habits, they also have different ways of dressings. So today in our chapter 9, we are going to read about the different food habits and also the different ways of dressings of Indians. Let's start from North India. Food and clothes. In North India, people love eating rajma rice, which is special in Delhi, makkai ki roti and sarson ka saag in Punjab, dum aloo, Jammu and Kashmir, galati kebab, Uttar Pradesh. Children, rajma is a kind of seed. We also call it kidney beans. It is first soaked in at night and then they prepare it in the morning. They nicely cook it, when boil the seeds, and then they make nice gravy, and it is very delicious and they love eating it with rice. Whereas makki ki roti is made from the atta of your flour of makki, that means corn. They grind the corn and they this flour of makki is formed, and from that they make this makki ki roti. With that they serve sarson ka saag, and it is very popular in Punjab. Dum aloo is very much liked in Jammu Kashmir. It is a very means favorite delicacy of Jammu and Kashmir. Name is dum aloo. We also call it Kashmiri dum aloo. It is boiled potato and gravy of cashew nuts and many rich many fruits, dry fruits and nuts are used to prepare this preparation. Now next is galati kebab. Galati kebab is very popular in Uttar Pradesh. It is also a mince, very fine mince of meat. It is a kind of kebab made, and it is so soft and so nice to eat that they say that when they eat it, it just melts in the mouth. So this is galati kebab from Uttar Pradesh. It is also very famous dish of Uttar Pradesh. Now we are going to see how the people of Kashmir they uh, dress up. This is Kashmir, and this the people dress here. See, ladies are wearing kurta pajama, and the men are wearing Pathani dress with jacket. Boys are also having um, kurta with pajama. Punjab, here also kurta pajama. Boys they wear kurta pajama. Men they have turbans they tie turbans, and ladies they mostly prefer wearing salwar kameez. Haryana here, the ladies they wear short ghagra, and see the kind of uh, slippers they are having, this sandals. This is called juti or mojris. Okay, it is made up of skin of animals, especially like camel or deer, like that. And they wear this dress, ladies short kurti, or you can say blouse with the, or choli with the short ghagra, and men are wearing kurta with dhoti, and boys are also wearing the small boys are also wearing same way. They are wearing kurta and pajama. Now let's go to South India. Food and clothes of South India. People here in Kerala they like appam, Tamil Nadu dosa, Hyderabadi biryani is very much popular of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. Chettinad chicken curry is from Tamil Nadu. So these are the very popular dishes of South. Appam is made from rice flour, and it is served with some kind of dal and nariyal ki chutney, and you can take sambar also. Whereas Tamil Nadu dosa is served with two types of chutneys, and there is sambar, and also there is um, two three types of chutneys they give. Okay, and Hyderabadi biryani is very much world famous, and this place is known for its biryanis. And Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, here you can get variety of biryanis. So this place is known for its uh, famous um, varieties of biryanis. Chettinad chicken curry. It is made in Tamil Nadu. Chettinad chicken curry is made from chicken, and it is a curry in which they use different kinds of spices. And with that, coconut is very much used in this preparation. So, children, now we are going to read about the clothing. So first is Kerala. Kerala here people they wear shirt with dhoti. Ladies they wear sari, but the sari is little different the way we normally wear, and it is actually worn like sari. Actually, it is a lehenga and a big means sometimes the big some chunni like that thing, and the girls are wearing ghagra and small blouse. Tamil Nadu, here the men they wear dhoti with short kurta, and there is one um, shawl like thing they put, and the child you can see the boy, he is also wearing dhoti kurta with that a kind of shawl it is there, and ladies are wearing sari, and this type of sari you will not see normally. We don't wear this type of the way she has wore the sari, it is not like that. It is little different from other parts of India where we normally wear a sari. So this is little different from the normal way of wearing sari. Andhra Pradesh. Here, Andhra Pradesh ladies are wearing sari, whereas boys, small boy, kids like a small girl, she's wearing ghagra and choli, whereas boy is wearing shirt and pant, and the man is wearing kurta. Men they wear kurta and dhoti. With that, they have got one um, shawl around their neck. Now let's go to East India. East India food and clothes. East India, here people love eating puri and aloo bhaji. especially in West Bengal. Then sour fish curry, Assam. Next is Iromba from Manipur and Litti Chokha from Bihar. The dress used by Bengalis in West Bengal, they mostly, the men, they wear dhoti, kurta, and one shawl is there, and ladies they wear sari. Here the sari, the way of wearing sari is also different from other parts of India where sari, people where ladies wear sari. And next is the girl is wearing frock. Assam, you can see the lady is wearing sari. It is also known as mekhla. Actually, it is not sari, it is a shawl. They wear it like a sari, and this shawl is known as mekhla. Whereas the boy is small boy is having dhoti, kurta, and the man is wearing dhoti kurta with that small jacket like thing, waistcoat or jacket you can say it is there. Mizoram here they have got traditional dress. Their traditional dress is they wear short, men wear short shirt, and with that a short uh, piece of cloth they are wearing, whereas like a dhoti they are wearing, and boy is wearing pant and that shirt, and ladies are wearing long skirts, which is a type of shawl only. They are wearing it like a skirt, and with that they have got blouse and shirt type blouse, and the ladies they wear different kinds of ornaments, handmade ornaments. In West India, food and clothes. In West India, people love eating dal bati churma, especially in Rajasthan. Misal pav is of Maharashtra, and dhokla is from Gujarat, whereas Konkani fish fry is from Goa. In Rajasthan, people they wear, the men they wear big turban with that small dhoti and kurta. You can call it achkan also. And the boys, small boys also wear like that only. They have pajama with dhoti, sorry, pajama and kurta, and they are wearing turban. Whereas ladies wear ghagra, chunni and choli. In Goa, they have the men they wear short shirt with a short dhoti, which is a kind of um, a piece of shawl only. They are wearing it like this, and their way of wearing dhoti is little different. Whereas the girl is wearing frock, ladies are wearing sari with blouse, and there is one chunni or some shawl like thing they put. So these is the dress of Goa. Maharashtra, here people like men they wear kurta pajama, and on they also wear cap, whereas girls, they small girls they wear um, long skirt and blouse, or you can say choli, whereas boys they wear half pant and shirt, ladies they wear sari, just like dhoti they wear the sari. So now we are going to read about the famous sweet from across the country. In India, there are four very very famous sweets. First is Rasgulla from West Bengal, then Bibinka from Goa, and Ghevar from Rajasthan, and Mysore Pak from Karnataka. So these four sweets are very very famous of India all over the world. So today children we have read about the different types of food and clothes, uh, about the different types of food and clothes of India. So go through the lesson nicely and read the chapter 5 times. So today your homework is to read the chapter 5 times, and you will also learn the names of the states and their food, and the way and the type of clothings people are wearing, because it can come in picture identification. So you must know which dress is from which state. That's all for today, children. Thank you, children.